Yes, you are welcome to YEMIPIDAN and Co. And I want to assure you that everything we do here, we do with all sincerity, with one objective in our mind, and that is to add value to you. Now, what am I saying? We are in the business of offering trainings and consulting in uh, digital marketing, everything digital marketing, from website to social media to search engine to content to sales funnel, and all. And we are also into training in Python programming and what you can do with Python, which includes data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, amongst others. So we are going to be having a training that will start on 1st of June in a few weeks' time for everyone who is interested in digital marketing and Python programming. Now, the Python programming, we are channeling it towards data science and machine learning. So we're looking at data science and machine learning with Python. And then we are looking at digital marketing. Now, these are two different classes, okay? Now, the digital marketing class looks at so much, like you can find on this web page. Just check through the content of the page for digital marketing, and you will see that we offer so much. The objective of this digital marketing class is that whoever goes through this class should be able to survive, even if all you have is a laptop, a phone, and internet, and a bank account. So if you go through this digital marketing training, it's going to last for a month, Monday to Thursday for a month. Now, if you go through this training and you get a digital marketing job, you will be able to deliver. And if you choose to set up your own digital marketing agency, you are good to go. And if you choose to work from your home, to be a freelancer, to earn income as an independent, as a self-employed person, this training equips you with all that you need for that. That's the objective of digital marketing training. So if you are looking, if that is what you have in mind, I encourage you to register for the training. If you are in Ibadan, you can register for the physical class, come around. If you are far away, you can be in this same class online. Like this. The class will be online and you will have access to it. The other class, which is Python, is channeled towards data science and machine learning with Python. So for that 1 month, we'll look at Python programming well enough to be able to do data science and uh, machine learning. And I want to tell you that if you attend either of these two classes and you feel we've wasted your time and you are not satisfied and you feel we've lied to you, that instead of being a practical class, we are just talking theory, just ask for refund on the basis that we do not teach you what we promise to teach you, on the basis that we do not give you practical experience. All right? But if you attend this class and we deliver on our promise, we cover the modules we promise to cover, and we keep you well enough, I want to appeal to you to share the good news. So why not enroll today? The digital marketing class starts 9:30 to 9:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. The Python class starts 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So if you actually love to be a part of both classes, you can enroll. It's structured that way. But if you just want to all you need to do is come at your own time, and enjoy the class. So if you have any need, if you want to speak with someone, you can call, you can send WhatsApp, the information is right here on the page. So I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for taking time to see this video.